friends, it's Paula Tisch, your favorite Huntsville realtor. And today I'm going to talk to you buyers about how to make your offer more attractive. Honestly, it's not that hard. This is the thing. Keep it simple. Keep it simple for those sellers. You want to make everything very clear in your offer, but keep it simple. Don't make it complicated with all kinds of contingencies and terms and add-ons and requests and things like that. Let's keep it simple. The easiest way to keep things simple is these three things. Number one, earnest money. Make a strong investment in your earnest money. Lately, I've really been seeing people slack in the earnest money department. $1,000 is not great earnest money. No, you want those sellers to know how serious you are about their house. The bare minimum of earnest money is 1%. If you want to make a super strong offer, 2%. Let's do it. Show them how serious you are, that you're not gonna just back out on a whim. The deal with earnest money is if any of the contingencies, such as your inspection, your request for repairs, you don't sell your house and you have a contingency in there for that, any contingency, you don't get your financing, things like that, you generally get your earnest money back. However, if you just up and decide to walk away, then it's a little bit trickier because they're not going to want to give you the money back then. So if you are serious about the house, give some good earnest money. Don't be afraid. If you are all in, let them know that you are all in on that house. Number two, proof of funds and pre-approval. Let them know that you're solid and you can afford their house. I mean, seriously, that's not that much to ask if you are the buyer of their home. Prove to them that you can do this. Even if you have millions and millions and millions of dollars in the bank, and this is a $250,000 house, you still have to prove to them that you can afford it. People don't know. We can't assume that you have that money. So proof of funds or pre-approval is a must. And number three, get a skilled agent. Someone who can negotiate on your behalf, who can help you write that very simple offer, who can encourage you to put your best foot forward, and who can get the job done. And honestly, I'm here to do that. That's my job. We will find the house for you and put forth your very best offer. I want you to love where you live. If you love these videos, please like and follow me on all the socials at List with Paula, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every Monday a new video comes out, and if you click that button up there, the little bell, you will be notified each time.